I'm asked a lot of times, do I miss working in television? And the truth is, not until I start doing it again. I had my time, I enjoyed it. What happens though is you wind up working with incredible people, and that's what you miss. No matter, I feel, whatever the job is, the people are what make it good, bad, or great. Most of the time for me it's been great, and I think that's what I miss most. And the teaching, when you get a chance to be in front of a camera, you get to teach so many people. And this project that I'm doing with Geisinger gives me a chance to really teach people with health issues, and I'm really enjoying this experience. Chef Matt back there, we're going to do a recipe a little later. Kristen and Lonnie, the crew, Linda and Laura. It's been a great weekend, and Emily, the dietitian I'm working with. So, oh yeah.